Hello everyone, I'm Mason from S&T. Today I want to introduce our new product, MP41. Yeah, this is a real wood stock, and we improved the fire system. Here, this is a single shot. After you pull backward, this is throttle, and the safety is here. Yeah, so also we make 40 mm flaps, so the player can install their light tracer just right here. Yeah, and the outlook is more realistic, so you can see the trigger guard just like a wheel steel. And the other one is Type 100 from World War II Japanese Army. This is a full octo version, just like a wheel steel. This is a full octo machine gun in World War II. And the special one is there's a bipod here, a foldable bipod and a bayonet base. And the other hand, we also make a 40 mm flap, so the user also can add the light tracer attached here. It also can run with LiPo 11.1 volt, also an NIMH battery. This is our new product, come maybe in 2025. SVT40, SKS, and many people ask when FG42 we will come in AEG version. So stay tuned for us. I'm Mason from S&T. Thank you for your watching.